From this course, we will understand about the right join in SQL. Returns all records from the right table and the matched records from the left table. Graphical representation. From this graphical representation of right join, we can see the table 1 and table 2. Table 2 is completely colored with green, but the table 1 is partially colored by green, and the remaining part of table 1 is colored by white. This means that all the part of the table 2 is green, means table 2 records are selected compared with table 1. But if we have records from table 2 but that records is not available in table 1, it's not a matter, all the record will be returned from table 2. In this way we can use the right join in SQL. So let's take a look in query window. We have two tables, salary head type and salary head. So first select from salary head type table. Select start from salary head type. Here we have 1, 2 and 3 respectively. 1 for addition, 2 for deduction, 3 for deposit. But in salary head table, how is the result here? Select start from salary head. So here we can see the 9 records, but we have salary head type ID, this string. Yes, we have only two types of salary head type here in salary head table, 1 and 2. One for addition and 2 for deduction. So we have addition and deduction salary head type in salary head table. Yes, so if we join right join, select start from salary head type, right join, RIG is right join salary head on sh.SalaryHeadType equal sht.Id. So from here we just want to select for salary head ID, means as salary head ID sht.SalaryHeadType here, but from table 2 salary head sh.Id, sorry, I need to give the comma here, dot id as id and sh dot salary head. So as SalaryHead. So if we execute this query, how is the result from? Yes, from this query we can see the records from SalaryHead type 1 1 1 1 and 2, but if we see, and it's addition, deduction, addition, but here in SalaryHead table SalaryId 1 1 1, and here we can see the 1 1 1 and 2. So from the table SalaryHead, here we can see the 9 records. Select star from SalaryHead. Yes, we have 9 records, and this is the right table. That's the reason we can we can see the 9 records from this query, because all the records are returned from SalaryHead. If we change the position of SalaryHead table here, and if we move this here, S is T now, and if we change the position, so how is the result here? From here we can see the results for 10 records here, but if we see the SalaryHead here for deposit is null, because the null ID is not available in SalaryHead table. That's the reason we have no records here. So in this way we can explain, or we can use the right join in our table. So keep watching the next tutorial. Thank you.